Here's a Clickbank affiliate marketing tutorial that you can follow, especially if you're a total beginner. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Del from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So as you most probably know guys, Clickbank is one of the most popular affiliate networks out there. It's one of the most popular one and one of the favorites among a lot of affiliate marketers, and mainly due to the sheer number of products that they have that you can choose from to promote as an affiliate marketer. And in today's video, this is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to look into how to do Clickbank affiliate marketing in just a few simple steps, and how this will be very useful, especially if you are a total beginner. So to get started with this, obviously step number one is you need to pick a product. This is extremely important because if you don't pick the right high converting product right from the start, everything you will do afterwards will be almost pointless. Okay, you can have the best funnel out there, you can have the best traffic source, you can have the best opt-in form, email campaign. None of it will matter if you've chosen a low converting product. So choosing the right product is extremely important, and you need to pick a product that is already highly converting. Okay, you want to pick a product that you know is selling very well at the moment. You don't want to go and test product. Okay, you're not in that phase yet. So if you're a beginner and just starting out, you want to pick a product that you know is already working and is already getting sales out there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your Clickbank account and sign up for one. If you don't have a Clickbank account yet, it's very easy to sign up. And then you could basically, what you can do is you can choose a product. On the left side here, you see different categories. Those are basically different niches that you can pick a product from. For example, you have the cooking, food and wine niche, where you can have different products to pick from: special diet, recipes, wine making and so on. There's also e-business and e-marketing, where you can find different products to promote in here as well. You can also go into other niches, such as the very popular health and fitness niche, where you can find different products in here like diet and weight loss, men's health, yoga, nutrition. So there's different products that you can choose from different niches on the left side of your screen here. Now, if you don't know which product to promote, or you don't have a specific niche to go for yet, what you can do is you can simply, where it says find products, leave the box empty and simply click on search. And what's going to happen is Clickbank is going to show you a bunch of different products that are selling very well at the moment on their platform, and those products are getting a ton of sales and are being promoted by a lot of affiliates as well. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video. I have other videos where I talk more in depth about picking the right product to promote, and I highly recommend you to go and watch it. But in a nutshell, one of the few things that you want to look at is you want to check the average conversion. So how much money you would make promoting a particular product. Okay, you don't want to promote a product where you only get paid $15 or $20 or something like that. Okay, you want to promote a product where you can get paid a decent amount of money for your effort, maybe $50 or $100 or maybe even more. So if you check this product here, Exipule, you would get paid $145 per sale, which is really good. And you can see there's a lot of high commissions on here that you can earn. For example, Java Burn, $117, $100, $150. So you want to check the average conversion. The second thing you want to look at is you want to look at whether it has an affiliate support page, like this one here, affiliate page. And basically what this page is, it's a page that has been created by the seller of the product himself, where he's providing you with a bunch of different resources that you can use in your affiliate marketing campaign. And those resources can be banners, pictures, videos, testimonials, email campaigns, email swipes. So a bunch of different keywords or resources that would really help you. They might provide you with information like what are the ideal customers for this particular product. That maybe if you're promoting a weight loss product, the seller might tell you that this product sells best with females between the age of 30 and 60. Most of them come from desktop computers. So you want to pick a product that has an affiliate page. This is not absolutely necessary, but it can be very helpful if you pick one of those products. And then something else you want to look at, which I forgot to mention, is the gravity score. So gravity is basically a measure of how popular a product is at the moment amongst affiliate marketers. So the higher the gravity, the higher the number of affiliates making money promoting this particular product. So if you check this product here, Java Burn, it has a gravity of 565. So there are 565 affiliates making money promoting this particular product. So this means that this product is really highly converting and is doing very well. So you don't want to pick a product that has too high of a gravity score, because it could mean that it's very competitive, but at the same time you don't want to pick a product that has too low of a gravity score, because then it means that it might not be converting very well at the moment. So maybe something below 500 and something above 30 or 40 would be a good way to get started with this. Another website you can go to help you choose a product even better, and I've talked about this in one of my previous videos, is to use a website called CB Snooper. Basically, this is a website that provides you with even more information that Clickbank does not provide you. And those, basically every product that you will see here are products being sold on Clickbank, but they provide you with additional information. For example, you can see what are the top 5 Clickbank products, top 5 rising products, top 5 falling products. So sometimes on Clickbank you might find a product that have a really great gravity score, but what you might not know is that this product is selling less and less over the last few months, and you won't get that kind of information on Clickbank. Clickbank will tell you that it has a gravity score of maybe 300 or 400, but maybe last month it was 500, and then the month before that it was 700. So it's clearly selling less and less and less, and you won't get that kind of information on Clickbank. But on CB Snooper you can find those kinds of information, which would help you choose a product much better. So you don't want to pick a product that is whose gravity score is going down, who's selling less and less and less, because most probably this product has been so saturated, that's why it's not selling that much anymore. So for example, you can see here top 5 rising products. Those other products that are getting more and more sales every single day, more and more affiliates are promoting this product. So for example, if we choose the first product here, social paid, and you check this particular product, they have an average, you would earn about $46 per sale, a gravity score of 273. And when you look at the gravity here, you see that it is indeed rising. 1 month ago it had 200 affiliates promoting this product, and now 1 month later it has 273. So this product is clearly selling very well, and it's doing very well on the platform. So that was step 1, picking a product. Okay, step 2 now is to build a landing page. Now a landing page is not a blog. Okay, a landing page is much different than a blog, in the sense that it is just a one-page website where you want your audience or your traffic to do one specific thing only, and that one specific thing can be either watching a video or reading an article or signing up for your email list. And the purpose of the landing page is to really warm up your traffic even more before you send them to your affiliate offer, instead of sending them directly to your affiliate offer. By sending them to a landing page, you warm up the traffic even more, which means that you end up increasing your conversion rate. So this can be very helpful. There are a lot of different platforms out there that allows you to build really high converting landing pages. You've got ClickFunnels, you got Builderall, there's another one called Kartra. The one that I like to use myself is this particular platform here called Systeme.io. It's very easy to use. You can build a lot of different landing pages. The interface, as I've said, is very easy to use, and the pricing is very good as well. You can start with a free plan just to get used to the whole platform, and then eventually you can increase it and start by using one of those paying plans. For example, this is a landing page that I built for a dog training course. It's very simple and very good looking, as you can see, and it only took me like a few minutes to build this. So the Systeme.io is a really good platform to get started with if you don't have one already. So step 3 now is to drive traffic. You need traffic in order to start making sales. If you don't have any traffic, you're never gonna make a single dime, and choosing the right platform to drive traffic can be extremely important. So some of the platforms you can go for when building traffic for your affiliate offer, or Clickbank offer, is, for example, you could choose Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the most popular social media websites on the planet. It's more than just a social media, it's also a search engine, which makes its traffic really, really good. If you look at some of the stats about Pinterest, you'll see that some of those are really interesting, and especially if you're an affiliate marketer. For example, you got like 50% of US spinners frequently shop on Pinterest. The number of US shoppers on Pinterest grew by 50% in the first half of 2020. We're already in 2022, so most probably this is even higher now. 89% of users on Pinterest go on Pinterest for purchase inspiration. So clearly there are a lot of buyers on the platform. More than 25% of time spent on Pinterest is spent on shopping. So this shows you that a lot of people on Pinterest do have this buying mindset, buying mode. They are in this buying mode, and if you're not using Pinterest to drive traffic for your affiliate offer, you're most probably leaving a lot of money on the table. And basically how you would go about building traffic on Pinterest for your affiliate offer, you would simply go to the search bar and basically look for keywords that people are searching for in your particular niche. For example, let's say you were in the weight loss niche, you could type something like how to lose weight, for example, and see what are the kind of keywords that Pinterest will recommend to you. For example, if I type how to lose weight, I'm showing a bunch of different pages related to this. Wait, let me type instead lose weight. So if I type lose weight, as you can see, a bunch of different keywords that is shown to me. Lose weight workout plan, lose weight in a week, lose weight workout, lose weight in a month. And basically that's how you would find what are the type of content that people are searching for on Pinterest. And what you could do is simply create content around those particular keywords, and then you would eventually start building traffic doing so. So just to show you an example of this, for example, if you check this page here, women health fat burning tips, they only have like 300 followers, and yet they have over 250,000 monthly views on their page. And this is basically what they do. They create very simple pins where they have like a picture and a big headline at the top, and they basically target those different keywords, and then they direct that traffic to their page here. And this page is basically a good example of a landing page. This is a simple page where they have an article talking about losing weight, and then when you click on their link, you will see that you are redirected to a weight loss product, and this is a affiliate product. So as you can see, this is really an easy way of how you could build traffic on Pinterest for your affiliate offer. The second way you could build traffic for your affiliate offer is you could go on Instagram. Instagram is extremely popular, as you already know, and you could create simple content on a page and build that traffic up for your affiliate offer. But an even easier way to go about doing this is you could create what we call theme pages. And theme pages are basically a page where you create content from other people, where you basically create especially viral content. And obviously, when you take other people's content, you need to give them credit for it. You can't just take other people's content. You might get copyright issues for that. But basically what theme pages do is they curate viral content from other pages while giving other people credit for their content. And what happens is your page eventually become like an authority for viral content in that specific niche. For example, if you check this page here, dog lovers, they've got like 6.7 million followers. And basically all they do is create viral content about dogs from other pages. None of those contents are their own content, it's other people's content, and they're just creating those on their page here. And if I open one of those videos or pictures, you see that they give credit to the original poster of that piece of content, and they've been able to build a huge follower base of 6.7 million followers doing this. Here's another example here, Nurses Proud. They have 500,000 followers, and basically what they do is they curate content in the nurse niche, because there's a lot of nurses who are really proud about what they do for a living, and basically they create a ton of memes and viral content related to nurses, and they've been able to build a huge page of 500,000 followers doing this. And this is something you could do as well. Create a theme page in a specific niche and then redirect that traffic to your affiliate offer. So for example, if you're promoting, let's say, a fitness product, you could create a theme page in the fitness niche and then redirect that traffic to your fitness product. And then the third traffic source I want to share with you is YouTube. YouTube is one of the best traffic sources on the planet, the second biggest website on the planet. And the traffic is basically search engine traffic. So people on YouTube are actively looking for solutions to their problem. And this is really the kind of traffic that you want to go for. You would have to be very creative to come up with the type of content to create for your YouTube channel that you can then redirect to your affiliate offer. But there are different ways of doing this. For example, if you check this channel here, lifetime winners, basically all they do is they take a bunch of different videos and pictures, copyright free pictures and copyright free images, stick them together and create those 10 minutes long video, 8 minutes long video. They add like a copyright free background music to it, and that's all they do. And as you can see, they're able to generate thousands and thousands of views doing this. And when you go through one of their videos and you check the description, you will see that they are redirecting that traffic to affiliate offers. Maybe it's books on Amazon that they are promoting, or products or courses about finance, because this page is clearly related to finance. Here's another example here, Ways and How, where they have 1.8 million subscribers, and all they do is they basically show stock footage, videos and pictures related to health, and basically they have like an article that they turn into a video. I have a video where I talk more about that. They basically use a particular tool that will turn articles into videos, and that's exactly what they are doing here. And then they create those videos and then upload them on their YouTube channel, and they've been doing this for quite some time now, and as you can see, they are generating thousands and thousands of views doing this. And this is something that you could do as well. You could find written content related to your niche, and then use a tool to convert that into videos and then upload it on your YouTube channel. I have another video where I talk more specifically about this particular method. I highly recommend you to check it out. It's a video called InVideo, INVIDEO, which is the tool that they use most probably to create those kind of content, and I highly recommend you to go and check it out. Before I end this video, guys, I just really want to stress the importance of, you need to understand that with free traffic, it takes time to build. It takes time to build free traffics, and you need to be very patient. But one of the best ways to really speed it up is to post as much content as you can. The more content you put out, the more exposure you get. And the more exposure you get, the more views and clicks you get. And the more clicks you get, eventually the more sales you will get. So if you decide to go with free traffic on this one, understand that you need to post a ton of content online to really increase your chances of going viral and generating a ton of traffic as quickly as possible. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.